In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Figma effectively without cropping it. Whether you're a designer taking your first steps in Figma or simply looking to refine your skills, understanding how to resize images while maintaining their aspect ratio is crucial for your design projects. The last thing you want is an image that looks stretched or improperly skewed. So let's dive into the process. First, start by selecting your image layer in Figma. This is your foundational element, and choosing the right layer ensures that the adjustments you make affect the intended image. If you're navigating a complex design with multiple layers, you might find it handy to use Figma's search functionality to quickly locate and select the specific image layer you want to adjust. Now, once you've selected your image, the key to maintaining its aspect ratio lies in using the Shift key. Press and hold this key before you make any adjustments. The Shift key is your safeguard, ensuring that the proportions of the image remain consistent as you resize. It's a simple yet powerful tool that prevents common mistakes like stretching or squashing your image unintentionally. With the Shift key held down, use your cursor to drag any of the corner handles of your image. Notice how your image resizes seamlessly without losing its original shape or proportions. This technique is especially useful when you're working on designs that need to adapt to different screen sizes or dimensions while preserving the visual integrity of your images. By dragging the corner handles, you maintain a visual coherence that keeps your design polished and professional. If you prefer a more precise approach or need specific dimensions, Figma provides an alternative method. You can manually adjust the image size by specifying the exact width and height in the right sidebar. Locate the W for width and H for height fields where you can directly input the new dimensions you wish your image to have. This method offers you precision and control, perfect for when your design requires exact measurements. And that's it. You've now learned how to resize an image layer in Figma, maintaining its aspect ratio and ensuring a crisp, quality representation in your design. Remember, whether you choose to drag the corner handles or input dimensions manually, the goal is to keep your images looking their best, with no distortion or cropping. Experiment with both techniques to find what suits your design needs the best. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you're well on your way to creating stunning designs in Figma. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, keep designing and keep creating.